to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Dia & Co unboxing. And if you are not familiar with what Dia & Co is, basically it is a subscription styling service where you pay a $20 styling fee and you can have a stylist pick out about 5 or 6 outfits for you, and every month or every 3 months or every 6 months, depending on your preferences. And basically you can select like what type of styles you wear based on your body type, you know, what your preferences are. And so then they sent out this box and pick a couple of items. If you're not happy with the items, you have up to 5 days to try them and return them, and then they will not charge you. They only charge you for the items that you decide to keep, which is a really cool thing. So it lets you play around with different styles, different trends, just to see what works for you. I think it's a really cool service. So if you're familiar, if you saw my last video where I did a Dia & Co try on, I wasn't too happy with the box. A lot of the styles weren't really my style. So they did go ahead, when I rated the items, they offered to send me another box and waive the styling fee. So I just got the box today and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. It's just a couple of items and let's get started. The first item is the mid-rise skinny jeans by Molly and Isadora. I got these in a 24 because I like to size up on my jeans. I'm absolutely loving these though. I haven't even tried them on yet, but I know they're gonna fit. They're super stretchy. I always like to size up in these pants just to be safe, because their sizing might not be at a lot of the stuff, like it's either too big or too small, so I just always like to size up. I know I could wear a 22 in these, but I prefer a 24. So those are the jeans, and I'm excited about those because they look exactly like the type of skinny jeans that I like to wear. So yeah. The next item is, actually, while we're at it, I'm gonna mention the pricing for these. For these jeans, those are the Leroy skinny jeans in medium wash. Those are, the price on those is $65. Now, if you decide to keep everything in the box, they do offer a 25% discount, and $20 styling fee that you pay goes towards anything you decide to keep. So if I decided to keep everything in this box, the total would be $190. But we shall see if I'm keeping anything. So the next dress is, this is the Cassie Sweetheart neckline dress by Leota. It is a 3X. It retails for $79, which is way out of my budget, unfortunately. It's a cute dress, not necessarily my type of dress. I like floral patterns, but I don't like the fabric. So this is the dress, and I'm going to show everything. I'm going to try everything on so you guys can see. It's a fit and flare, kind of like a skater dress, fit and flare type, with the like a v-neck wrap style. It's not a wrap dress, but it is a wrap style. It's pretty, but do I think it's worth 79 bucks? No. So that one is definitely going back. I'm sorry if the lighting is a little weird. It is nighttime that I'm filming, so I am working with the lighting that I have. This next top is, let's see, the Cassie split back tee by Molly and Isadora in a 3X, and this one retails for $29. It's a cute top. I'm not really big into vertical stripes like this, or horizontal. I'm not really big into stripes, period. But this is the top. It's like a red, just a casual top. It's very stretchy, very true to size. And then as you can see, it has a split back. It has that little split back here and another split back here. So it's a cute top, but not my style. Again, I'm a little disappointed in this box, only because in my last box, when I rated the items, I did mention that I don't like certain patterns, and I got a box with the same kind of pattern. So I think I'm going to be putting Dia & Co. on pause for a little while, just until I decide if it's for me. I'm not 100% right now convinced. I just feel like I haven't had much luck with the stylist getting my patterns right. I like patterns. I like floral print. I like animal print, but I don't like black and white animal print. And I did put that in my last review because they had sent me a black and white animal print, and then they sent me this black and white animal print dress. Again, same pattern that I told them I didn't like, but I just feel like that specific stylist they had wasn't really paying attention to my reviews, or maybe they didn't see them. I'm not sure what happened there. I'm sure there's great stylists. I feel like I haven't really been matched up with the one that's really gets my style yet. So I'm not fully giving up on them, but it might take some time. So this one is by Mira Lane. It is a 3X, and this is the Antonella sleeveless tie neck blouse. Now, this is a sheer, it's a pretty blouse. However, I don't work in an office. This is a tie neck, and I have absolutely nowhere to wear this. Like, I wouldn't wear this, and the fabric doesn't stretch. So the last time they sent me a shirt with this type of fabric, it was too tight in the bust. And this one, I just don't have anywhere that I could wear this. It's not my style at all. I don't like tie neck. I used to wear tie neck when I worked in an office, but I don't anymore. So it's frustrating because I just feel like, not being negative, but I just feel like they just haven't they don't get me yet. I'm not giving up though. I have hope for them. But yeah, so then they also sent me this dress that I'm wearing, and this is the Fit and Flare dress. Let's see. And it is a light gray, silver, and black and white. It is a 3X. Retails for $49 by Mary Sky. So I'm going to stand up and show you guys everything, but this particular dress is cute. It fits really well, but the pattern, I don't like the pattern, the black and white animal print. If this was like a leopard print, like the brown, I love that. Or even like a bright royal blue, which is the one I had pinned. It was a blue color. And then they sent me this one, which is not my color. But with that being said, let me show you the items, and I will leave a link down below if you guys want to try it out for yourself. The link does include a free, your complimentary first box, so they'll waive the styling fee for you if you want to try it out. And again, you have 5 days to try everything, and they won't charge you. If you decide something's not for you, just return it within your 5 days, and you're good to go. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, so this first dress is the Aurora Sleeveless Fit and Flare dress by Mary Sky. It is a light gray, silver, white, and black. This one is a 3X. This is the dress that retails for $49. As you can see, it has a ton of stretch. I actually love the dress itself. It's a beautiful, beautiful dress. I feel like this dress fit me perfectly. I love my dresses to be right above the knee. I feel like as I'm getting older, my style is changing a little bit, and I still like my short dresses, but I absolutely love these dresses up to the knee now. And it's a beautiful dress. The only thing that I didn't like was the print. I don't like black and white animal print. I actually really don't like that type of print. But the dress itself, the skater dresses, is what I'm living in this summer. I absolutely love how this dress fit me. It was very much true to size. It had a ton of stretch. It was very comfortable. Just a beautiful feminine dress. The dress that I had pinned was a royal blue, and then they sent me this pattern. I feel like if I would have gotten the one in a royal blue, I would have definitely kept this dress. It's a beautiful, beautiful dress. So I did leave the tags on everything just so you guys, because I will be returning almost everything in this box. But this is the next dress. This is another beautiful dress, right above the knee, just like I like them. This particular dress is the Molly and Isadora. No, this is by Leota. This is the Cassie Sweetheart neckline dress in a 3X. very much true to size, a ton of stretch as you can see. This is kind of like a red, white, and black floral print with a V-neck. This particular dress, I loved it. I didn't really like the fabric. It was that stretchy fabric. This one retailed for $79. I just thought it was a really cute dress, like to go dancing in. But the fabric in that one was just not the type of fabric that I like. And let me see, it doesn't say on here what fabric it is, but it's super stretchy. It's that stretchy material. I think the dress fit me very well, but for the price, I just can't do it. It's $79. It's just way out of my budget. But is it a cute dress? Yes, it is. Very feminine, very pretty, perfect for summer, very true to size. I have no complaints, only the price. Way out of my price range, unfortunately. But I did love it. Okay, guys, so my favorite item from this whole box was these skinny jeans by Molly and Isadora. These are the Leroy skinny jeans, and this is exactly how I like my skinny jeans to fit. I just scoot back there so you guys can see the full, the whole pant. I like my jeans to be tight around the ankles, and they weren't tight, but they were like, I don't know, it was like a full skinny jean all the way down to the ankles, and that's exactly what I like. These pants were in a 24. They were super comfortable, contrary to what they might look like. They actually fit me really, really well. Super comfortable, super stretchy. Perfect pair of jeans. These retailed for $65, which unfortunately is out of my price range. I don't like to spend more than like $30 or $35 for jeans. This top was not, I'm not a fan. This top was the KC split back tee in red and ivory in a 3X. Way too much stretch in it. I don't like the stripes. That's why I had it knotted up. And definitely the top is not my cup of tea at all. I don't like big tops like that. So this is how I would wear it. I would tie it in a knot because I like things that are more form-fitting. I don't like big baggy tops. Just because you're a bigger girl doesn't mean you have to wear big baggy things. You know, I like style, and I'm not trying to look older than what I am. I'm 38. I'm not that old. Not yet. But yeah, I think it's the jeans were perfect. The top is a no-go. Okay, so this is that sailor looking top I was talking about. It's actually pretty, and it fit, but there's barely any stretch. As you can see, no stretch in this top whatsoever. This is cute, like if you work in an office and you want to wear this with some dressy pants, like dressy slacks, perfect for an office look. This is the Sweetheart. This is actually the Antonella sleeveless tie neck blouse in a 3X. I want to say not true to size. You definitely want to size up in this top. This is by Mira Lane. It retails for $32. And it looks cute with the jeans, but it's just not my style. It's not my style of top. I really don't have anywhere that I would wear this top. The jeans I'm in love with, I really want them, but I'm not going to pay $65 for jeans. So I hope you guys enjoyed my honest review, brutally honest, and subscribe and like. And I hope to see you guys soon.